everyone. I'm excited to be here to talk about something that is both a career opportunity and passion for many of us: embedded systems and IoT. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or someone looking to switch domains, today's session will give you a clear, structured roadmap to go from a beginner to a professional in this exciting field. Why embedded and IoT? Embedded systems are the brain behind everyday devices, from smart watches and EVs to industrial robots and home automation. IoT adds another layer by enabling devices to talk to each other and to the cloud, making them smarter. In 2025 and beyond, the demand for professionals in this space is exploding, especially in India, where EVs, Industry 4.0, and smart cities are booming. This roadmap is designed for engineering students like you who are from circuit and IT branches who are interested to not just learn core embedded systems and IoT, but also to land up in their first job. If you're a working professional interested to switch career from an IT or automation domain, this is a roadmap for you as well. Or if you're a hobbyist exploring new technologies by tinkering with software and hardware, this roadmap is for you. You don't need to be an expert to start with. We just need consistency and curiosity. So let's get into the roadmap. So when you talk about becoming a professional in embedded systems and IoT, we can very well take a combined approach of learning embedded systems to start off with and getting into IoT at a later stage. This can become sometimes overwhelming for many of you. We have decided to discuss about embedded systems and IoT as separate learning paths, and for that, we have carved out two different roadmaps. In this video, we're going to cover the learning path both for embedded systems and IoT. I'll walk you through the modules, which are divided into several stages, starting from stage 1 to stage 4. We'll talk about the essentials and fundamentals initially. We'll move to core topics, followed by more advanced topics, which you're going to learn as part of this roadmap. We'll also cover about the tools and projects which we'll be using as part of the modules to enhance your skills, as well as to showcase yourself to clients in terms of your learning outcome. Building project is the key aspect as part of your roadmap. You can very well learn the concepts by understanding the theoretical concepts and also by doing some practical assignments. But projects are going to play a differentiator for you to showcase among your friends as well, not just clients. We'll also discuss about the skills, what companies are looking for. So we're taking an approach wherein we will show you some of the job listings which our clients expects our candidates to know. Plus, I have also navigated to some of the job websites for core companies to understand what these companies look for and what our students should eventually learn. Finally, by learning these modules and by completing these projects, you have set a stage for attending interviews. In this roadmap, we'll also cover important aspects of attending technical interviews. So we'll showcase how the skills are getting mapped to the stages of the modules which you're learning. Eventually, we'll share some questions which are real-time questions asked by companies at several stages to understand what is required by the companies and how the difficulty level of interviews progresses from level 1 to level 3 in the roadmap as well.
And with this, we have come to an end with this video. Roadmap from beginner to embedded systems and IoT professional. If you have enjoyed listening to this video, please like it and you can comment on any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. And do look up for more videos and playlists and subscribe to Emertxe's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching.
We have divided this roadmap into 4 stages. We'll become strong in programming using C and C++. We'll learn about the core concept of embedded systems and embedded system programming. We'll also introduce ATAS module in stage 2 so that you can learn how to build real-time applications effectively. Here we'll teach you operating system fundamentals and subsystems like process, memory, and networking. After stage 3, we'll move to the final stage, which is the advanced stage. And in last stage, we're going to learn about advanced embedded development. Very importantly, we have ensured that you're not just learning the concepts. At every stage, you're going to build different real-time applications so that you can understand things practically and also showcase them in your resume.